Okay, in this short video lesson, I'm going to show you how to get a select value using JavaScript. So let's first create a select menu, and I'm going to give it an ID, something short so I can type it later. That's even too long. Let's be really lazy today. All right, and I'm going to throw a few options in there. I'm going to use the value attribute of the option because that's easier to get at. Value equals 2, and I'm going to have a dummy option value, and the dummy is just going to be blank, so that'll be the default option when I have the menu. Okay, so there's the menu, pretty small but functional. So now I need to write the JavaScript function that will return the value, and I'm just going to have it pop it up as a alert. So get value, and this is going to be a one-liner here, so I'm going to have it send an alert, and I'm going to use the document get element by ID, and the ID is S menu. See how nice it is when I keep it short like that, and I'm going to type a value at the end of there. So basically what that says is when I run this function, send an alert that has the value from the S menu that's selected there. So now I'm going to take this function and I'm going to refer to it here using something called the onChange attribute, which looks for the event that says when the value of this changes. So it's onChange, and then it's going to run get value from there. So every time I change this menu, it should trigger this function, which returns the value of that menu. Let's see if it works. I'm going to turn on live mode here. And it didn't. Why did it not work? Let's see. Run. Oh, there it is. I just hadn't refreshed the code. So when I went from live mode off to live mode on, I needed to hit run so it would update the code. But it is actually working. And if I change it to the blank one, the dummy line, it doesn't return anything. But every time I change it, it's going to return whatever's selected there. So there, I want to point out something that I think is kind of interesting. When I do this, I make that change. Notice it says 1 up here, and I'd selected 1, but it hasn't changed yet down here until I dismiss the alert, and then it does it. So it actually doesn't change completely until after that function is completed when I release that alert. So that is how you get the value of a select menu.